today is February 14th. It's Valentine's Day. And so I plan on taking along with my day. Well, I'm not gonna say taking along with my day. It's 1:23 right now. I got an hour. I actually spent most of the day running errands and getting stuff for what I had planned. Then I decided that I would pick up the camera and film with you guys. So I went to the store. Like I said, it's Valentine's Day, and so I got some strawberries, and I have chocolate already. And so I want to do some chocolate covered strawberries because that's traditional. Costco had chocolate covered strawberries already, but it's always better to make your own, and it's expensive. And so I was able to buy 2 packages of strawberries, which will give us 4 times the amount of what I would have been able to purchase. If I don't have time to dip and make them, which it shouldn't take long, I have Nutella, so we can do that. I did plan on making lasagna tonight, but again, I feel like we are running low on time because I've got to go pick up the kids in an hour. So if I don't do lasagna, I also bought a sourdough loaf, and we'll do like BLT sandwiches or something like that. And then I also, most importantly, it is my son's birthday coming up in a week, but I want to make a balloon garland for him. Again, today, in my mind, I was gonna have it done today. And I was productive today, but just doing all the other things. And so it doesn't matter. It's not like it's a surprise. I have all this stuff here at the house to set up. The only thing that I needed to go out today was buy the 11 balloons. And I do think I'm gonna order foil. I have footballs already, but I think I'm gonna order basketballs because we're in basketball season right now. And I don't know, maybe I could stick. We'll see. If I do that, I'm not gonna have time to finish the entire thing. And I can literally make it while the kids are here. It doesn't have to be like set up because they know me, they know I like to do all this stuff. So the surprise isn't in them walking in and seeing it already made. It's just having it. And so like I said, his birthday is a week away, but I know he's excited and looking forward to it. So I want the house to feel festive and have all the birthday things and feels and all that stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna start with the chocolate covered strawberries, and then from there, I will see what I can get done with the balloons, and then if I have to stop, go pick them up and come back, we'll just do what we do. I don't have enough chocolate to cover this batch and the second batch, so I'm just gonna use up whatever chocolate I have, and then if the kids want some plain, they can have them plain. And if they want more, then they could just dip the rest in Nutella. Actually, most of the time, all the years I've done this prior, I never add the coconut oil to it. I think it's supposed to make it look shiny, which I typically don't care. Because in my mind, I would normally just be like, oh, we don't need the extra fat. I don't care if it has oil. And that was my mind thinking that we were being healthy. But coconut oil is good for you. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to it. It's already sitting in there, and I'm gonna see if this works. I need to be careful because I know this jar is gonna be hot, but we're just gonna see if that helps it to melt by throwing it in water that way. Supposed to go in here. I'm gonna add a teaspoon in here. Okay, let me set you here. And what do we need? The glass for the chocolate is gonna be hot, so I need gloves. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying ocean wasn't sure if they were gonna set because of the oil. It took a little bit longer, but they did. So, perfect. This is what it looks like when the chocolate was perfectly melted, and then up here they weren't, but who cares? Just as delicious. Just as delicious. Matter of fact, these ones have much more chocolate on them, so the kids will love those ones. So the only thing I purchased was the gold balloons, and that's all that Walmart had. I could have ordered them on Amazon, but it didn't matter. And I got black balloons because I think I wanted to do a basketball vibe. But I have every color. I've got red, blue. I have these gold. Is it the same gold? It's not quite the same. This one's a little bit more muted, and this is definitely more yellow. But these are like the stars that like burst out in every which like 3D star. I have orange. I mean, really, I have every color. Orange, white, pink. I might ask him because it'll save me money. If he says he wants football, then I'll stick with football. Otherwise, I might order a pack of basketball. I'm gonna order the basketball either way, so it doesn't matter. This one I like. Maybe I could do that and I could do my own Nike check. I did this last year. I'll insert a picture of that one. This is my problem. So because I didn't plan this enough in advance, and I just decided today that I wanted to do the Nike with the retro Jordan 1 shoe. That, I think the shoe was black and white. I'm sure they had different colors, but it was like black and white. But anyways, black, white, and red with the shoe would be so good. But there's no way I can get the shoe, and I'm not ordering the one that looks like a knockoff. So, let me go on my Pinterest board.
I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back.
Okay, so this came at perfect timing. Just got a package out the door. It's Amazon with these foil balloons. I'm not going to use maybe just one. I also have a Golden State Warrior balloon that's coming, so that won't be here until either later on tonight, maybe tomorrow. So I'm just gonna blow this one up, and then I'll add the Golden State Warrior balloon when it comes.
Now, whoa, sister, save me now, save me now, whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa.
So today is Sunday. It's midday. We went to church this morning, and I did finish the balloon garland. It is back there in the corner. I still need to do a little bit more. I'm waiting for one more balloon to come, so once that comes, I'll get that completely finished. And in the meantime, I just plan on cleaning up, mopping, sweeping, like Sunday stuff.
Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Whoa. You don't care what you're doing to me.
This is a really unflattering angle. So I'm just went and did a pickup order. Today is Carter's birthday. So we celebrated him this morning, gave him his special breakfast, and I just picked up a order from Target to make cinnamon rolls. So I don't have a lot of time. I'm gonna go home and get them, at least like the first portion of them. I've done them once before, so I know they have to like sit and rise. So I'm just gonna do like get them mixed up for like the first rise or whatever. I'll have to look at the ingredients. But I plan on doing that and having it ready for when he gets home from school today. So I finished making it right before I had to go pick the kids up with like no minutes to spare. And this is how they look now that they've been sitting. I don't even know, like when they bake up, these things are gonna be massive. So the last part to Carter's birthday party is having a Nerf gun fight at the park with his friends. So we purchased these blow-ups, and you just add water to the bottom to keep them from tipping over, especially if it's windy, and I'm using my balloon pump to fill them up. So there's a 5-pack, and I have another set coming tomorrow. So I'm just going to finish blowing all of these up and get ready for his actual party tomorrow. And I will close this vlog out, and I will see you in another. You hit it, but it didn't go down.